While for many people, the Apple Watch is a great daily companion for notifications and calls, and just for style, for many others, its true value lies in the accurate and effortless activity and health tracking features. Tests have shown that heart rate monitoring accuracy of the Apple Watch is very close to the readings from a dedicated chest strap, and this is impressive. On the Series 4, you get more consistent readings with fewer errors than before, and readings happen very fast. Unlike many other smartwatches, there is something else that strikes us about the Apple Watch in the context of its fitness tracking functionality: its comfort. The velvety, smooth sports band is durable, but also extremely well made and a pleasure to wear for long hours. The rounded body of the watch itself is also comfortable and nothing sticks out. Most importantly, the Apple Watch never feels too big or cumbersome. It does not get in your way, whether you are lifting weights at the gym, running, swimming, playing basketball, or taking a brisk walk. Speaking of workouts, you have a separate activity app on your phone that stores all your workouts with all the details, and you also have a map generated in concert with the GPS module on the watch, so you can track your runs. Here is a full list of the supported workout types on the Series 4. You have an outdoor, indoor walk, outdoor, indoor runs, outdoor, indoor cycle, an elliptical workout, rowing machines, stair-steppers, HIIT, high-intensity interval training, hiking, yoga, pool and open water swim, and the other type. The yoga and the hiking are the two new options that come with WatchOS 5, and these are welcome additions. But if you are looking for fitness tracking for a particular sport like basketball, football, or anything else, you don't quite have this option. A sports session like that would just end up in the other category, and you will get a summary of your heart rate and the time you spent doing it, but not much in terms of information that actually relates to a particular sport. Speaking of workouts, WatchOS 5 also adds for the first time automatic workout detection. The option is enabled by default, and it will pop up a notification to remind you to start a workout after the watch detects you've been moving. It worked for us when it came to a brisk walk, and it retroactively accounts for the workout time from its beginning, but it did not detect a half-an-hour cycling workout, nor did it detect a 15-minute strength training session. Unfortunately, this makes automatic detection pretty useless in our experience, and we still had to manually start our workouts every time if we wanted to get proper measurements. We have found other fitness trackers do a much better job at this and don't ask for a confirmation and just automatically start tracking the activity, which would have been a nice option to have on the Apple Watches. One last thing about activity and workouts: strangely enough, you cannot view individual activities on your watch. Even if you've just finished a run, the most logical thing would be for the watch to give you a short summary, but that's not what happens. Instead, once you confirm you're done exercising, the workout is stored only on your iPhone, but cannot be viewed from the watch. Most other fitness watches and trackers get this right, and this just seems like a sloppy experience. So we hope Apple fixes it in the future. There is one key new feature of the Apple Watch Series 4 that we couldn't test, and that's the ECG electrocardiogram. Apple will push an update that will enable the feature later this year, and it's still not available. Keep in mind that this feature is exclusive to the US market, and others will not get it, likely because of the requirement for clearance from various national health certification agencies. Another new feature in the watch is fall detection, which is just what it sounds like. The Apple Watch can tell when you take a hard fall and will pop up a screen offering you to call emergency in one tap. If you remain unresponsive for 60 seconds, so the watch assumes you might be hurt, it will automatically dial emergency services and send your location to your trusted contacts. We tried deceiving the watch by intentionally falling on a couch, but Apple has definitely predicted this and it was not fooled, so it correctly did not detect those as a real fall. Keep in mind that this feature will be automatically enabled for people over the age of 60, while for all others, it is turned off by default, and to enable it, you need to open the Watch app on your phone and go into Emergency SOS Fall Detection, where you will be able to enable the toggle. What's still missing in the list of native apps on the watch is sleep tracking. You can track your sleeping patterns using third-party apps on the Apple Watch. But we found that this process drains a lot of battery. With the app that we used, we went to bed at around 11 p.m. with 57% on the battery meter and woke up at 7:30 a.m. with the watch at just 3%. Keep in mind that we had also previously set the watch to theater mode so that it does not light up when we tossed and turned in our sleep.